Hi everyone! Today, I have a super handy gadget to show you, perfect for any modern home, the CHOVERY window cleaning robot vacuum cleaner. So, can this little robot really clean your windows efficiently? Let's find out together. This is the CHOVERY window cleaning robot vacuum cleaner, an automatic window cleaner that comes with a remote control, power cord, safety rope, and reusable cleaning pads. It's compact and attaches securely to glass surfaces using a smart vacuum suction system. What makes CHOVERY special is its automatic cleaning mode. Just switch it on, and it will move an Z or N pattern to cover the entire window evenly. Some highlights include remote control to easily change directions, smart sensors to avoid obstacles and prevent falling, powerful suction that keeps it firmly attached, even on high-rise windows, washable and reusable microfiber pads. I tried this robot on my big living room window. It took about 5 to 10 minutes to clean off all the dust and dirt. What I love is that it runs quietly, moves smoothly, and doesn't leave streaks or watermarks behind. As you can see, the glass was quite dirty before. After the robot did its job, it's crystal clear and I didn't even break a sweat. After using it, here are my thoughts. Pros: super convenient, saves time, especially for tall or hard-to-reach windows. The price is quite reasonable too. Cons: it needs to be plugged in while running, there's no built-in battery, so you need a nearby outlet. Also, it works best only on flat glass surfaces. In short, if you're looking for a smart helper to keep your windows sparkling clean with zero effort, the CHOVERY window cleaning robot vacuum cleaner is definitely worth checking out. I've added the product link in the description, or pinned comment, feel free to check it out here. Product link in the description. Click the link in the video description below to check it out and grab yours today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, drop a comment to share your thoughts or questions, and subscribe to our channel, Best Products 365, for more awesome tech reviews and smart shopping tips. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.